I'm Bobby.
I'm Pa.
We wanted to give you a quick update on the Chevy Sportvan restoration. So Dad, what happened with the body shop this week?
Well, I went and talked to Charlie, and he's changed a little bit. They want more money and a lot more time to get it done. We had originally figured January to spring, early summer. Now he's saying, believe it or not, 2 years. And that's not going to fly. So we're looking at alternatives now on how we're going to do it.
So I hopped on Facebook Marketplace and luckily found a industrial size sandblaster that was within 20 miles and posted that day, so like it was meant to be. So we're going to go over how that works and what we got going on there, so stay tuned. Pa?
This is my air compressor, Windy, and I bought this compressor a couple years ago. It's a Solaire 160. I think that means 160 cubic feet of air per minute. It's got a 4-cylinder Chevy engine in it, a 3-liter engine. So the thing really seems to run pretty good, and now we're going to see, first time we're going to use it, we're going to see if it works.
All right, hi, so you guys just met Windy over here, so I'd like to introduce you to Sandy. It's a Schmidt, 3.5 cubic feet, so that's how much sand it holds. And we got it, was in pretty good shape. We did a nice coat of paint on it, so it looks nice. Also replaced all the rubber seals for the hoses and got a new nozzle for it. Dad cleaned it all out, but it should be good to go.
How you fill this stuff?
I don't think you're going to get a hole, but don't ever stick your hand in front of that thing, okay? Because it'll take it off. What you doing?
Oh, where are we today?
Well, we're at a junkyard, and we're looking for parts for a seat, and I'm looking for some stuff for my old Chevy pickup too.
Let's see what we can find.
Yeah. See what I got? Woo!
The search continues.